Practical approach to LIMS systems. I have recently received notice about how I do not show numerical calculations in my videos. I don't have the time in these videos to make useful presentations that will be of importance to my listeners. I perceive you as people who already know how to use the student t-values and statistics. Any half-intelligent grad student can plug numbers into a statistical formula and come up with a result that he can use in the LIMS system. But where does the data go? And who will it impress if it has no realistic value in production? My videos, on the other hand, are intended to show in a video format the importance of the use of the system and the application of these numbers once they have been crunched. If you wish to know the mathematics behind the statistics, then there are any number of websites and videos that will bore you stupid with the interpretation of mu, alpha, and sigma. If, on the other hand, you are looking for the practical application of these numbers, then you have come to the resource that you will find valuable beyond compare. I will bore you stupid with real-life examples of the use of the LIMS system and how any process can be improved through that use. Although my stories are to some degree made up, they do show how the application of this technology can save lives, money, and time in manufacturing. Isn't that the bottom line anyway? If you want to know the numbers behind this technology, hire an intern straight out of college, and you will be impressed. If you want to improve your facility to such a degree that your competitors will be impressed, then hire someone like me. Practical application of this program type involves knowing where and what to monitor, as well as how the data should be presented for the use of those people who need to know the numbers. I have stated in other videos how the LIMS system is best administered by an expert, but I guess I haven't been clear enough about why the expert is an expert. The reality behind the expert isn't that he can quote the exact meaning behind the formula that yields a sigma value, but that expert is a guy who can take your numbers, go to the books to get the sigma numbers, and then place them into the monitoring system such that they save lives and money. There are reasons that statisticians and mathematicians are teachers, and engineers have libraries in their offices. You hire the engineer because of his practical approach to your needs as a manufacturer. Otherwise, you would have the numbers expert in your company meetings. I got straight A's in math and calculus, but for the life of me, I couldn't tell you a single time that I needed information in my chemistry or LIMS administration where I didn't need to go to the books to refresh what I had already learned. And I am a LIMS expert, as well as a very good analytical chemist. I have from time to time contacted college professors for information about how the numbers can be used effectively, but then we all need a bit of help and should feel comfortable in asking someone with a superior background in a subject in which we have less confidence. I am not a perfect scientist because I know everything, but because I know how to make use of the information that I obtain. You are interested in the LIMS for what it can do for your business, and that is why you came to the web and looked for videos like these. You are interested in learning the LIMS system because you have been hired to manage your company's LIMS system and need to make sure you do the job right. You are interested in the LIMS system because you have one in your company, and as an engineer, you want to know how to make use of it to make your job a bit easier. You want to find this information because you are a safety manager and want to know how to improve the safety of your workers through predictable breakdown anticipation. You are looking at my videos because you are smarter than the average bear. If you are interested in the numbers, then I would suggest that you go to websites on mathematics and statistics. But when you are done, come back here and see how those numbers are applied. You will be enlightened and then highly informed. Thank you.